हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। गाइज़, आज की इस वीडियो में हम फिर से बात करेंगे ब्रंट वर्क के असेसमेंट के बारे में। गाइज़, इससे पहले हम एक वीडियो ऑलरेडी बना चुके हैं जिसमें हमने उस असेसमेंट को अटेम्प्ट किया है। तो गाइज़, जैसे ही उस असेसमेंट को आप सबमिट कर देते हो, सबमिट करने के बाद आप नेक्स्ट पेज पर जाते हो जहाँ पर आपको एक ऑडियो रिकॉर्ड करनी होती है जिसमें आपको अपना सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन देना होता है। अगर आपको कोई वर्किंग एक्सपीरियंस है तो गाइज़ उस ऑडियो में आपको वो बताना होता है और आपके पास जो स्किल्स हैं उनको बताना होता है। इसके अलावा गाइस, ब्रंट वर्क में आप जिस जॉब रोल के लिए अप्लाई कर रहे हो उसकी जो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ है उनके बारे में आपको बताना होता है। बेसिकली आपको इस ऑडियो में ये बताना होता है कि आपको क्यों हायर किया जाए, वाई शुड वी हायर यू। ओके गाइज, तो गाइज इस वीडियो में हम इस ऑडियो असेसमेंट को देखने वाले हैं और इसको आप किस तरह रिकॉर्ड कर सकते हो जिससे कि आपको एक आइडिया हो जाएगा। तो गाइज वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम।
Hi, my name is Umair Alam from Uttar Pradesh, Saharanpur, and I would love to take a couple of minutes to tell you why hiring me will be a benefit to your organization. As I have worked as a telecom design engineer for the last 2 years, I work here in a team where I used to communicate with my team lead and team members via chat, email, and call. I work on many US based projects. While working on these projects, I also used to communicate with the fielder who is based in US. My last job was at MCS IT Services Private Limited, and it is a service based company. I worked in the telecom department of this company and I worked as a telecom design engineer. I was responsible to plan and design a fiber network. If I talk about my responsibilities for this job, I am responsible for entering data into database system and keeping records of all the data. I am also responsible for preparing reports and creating presentation templates using Google Slides, and I will be responsible for responding to customer inquiries via online chat and in social media. Apart from this, I will be responsible for reaching out and follow-ups whenever needed. And apart from that, if I talk about my skills, I have good communication skills as I have prior experience, I have working experience. So during my job, I used to communicate with my team lead and team members to sort out doubts and issues regarding a project. So I can say that I have strong written and verbal English communication skills. Also, I worked on MS Office, PPT, and Google Documents. So I have good knowledge of Excel. I have good Excel proficiency and I have good knowledge of PowerPoint presentation, and also I have high attention to detail. If I talk about my goals, my first goal is to demonstrating accuracy and attention to detail because data entry positions require a high level of accuracy and attention to detail. So one of the primary goals for me is to showcase my ability to enter data with precision and minimize errors. And I will be showcasing proficiency in data entry software and tools. I will be learning these software that are used to enter data. And apart from this, I will be prioritizing efficiency and timelines because efficiency and timelines are crucial in data entry job where a large number of data need to be processed within specified time frames. So I will convey my ability to work efficiently without compromise any kind of accuracy. So if you will provide me with this opportunity, I will be enhancing and upgrading my skills because I joined my first company as a fresher, where I learned so many things including teamwork, team management. I can say that I am a quick learner. So if you will provide me with this opportunity, I will be performing well, and I will be upgrading and enhancing my skills. I will be learning so many new things. So I can say that I am the right person for the job. All these things mentioned over here make me a best fit for this job. So I look forward to meeting you and discussing how I can be of value to your company. Thanks.
Guys, hope this video will be helpful for you. See you soon in the next video. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.